Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel GSM Tricks Update. Today we are going to show you how can use our mobile phone in airplane mode. Yes, so how to do it? Yeah, follow me. I want to show you how you can do it easily. Okay, let's go. See, click on *H*4*636 H*H*. Okay, now we see testing mode. Testing, you have to choose phone information number 1. Okay, see, when you arrive here you have to deactivate your data connection and activate airplane mode. Okay, now we have to scroll down. You see where is mobile radio power. Okay, here. Okay, let's continue. You have to activate here. Yes, now mobile radio power is activated. Then we scroll down until the end. We see more. Okay, here. Okay, yeah. We continue and we choose enable data connection. Yes, here. Okay, here enable. Now you have to repeat again. Choose enable data connection. Yeah, now we finish. Let's go back. Yeah, we have to check if our phone can continue to work without any data connection. Yes. Okay, let me go. Okay, yeah. Okay, you see that even Chrome is working without internet connection activated. Yes, let me check on YouTube. Yes, yeah, now YouTube is working without any network connection. As you see here, there is no network. You see this video. Okay, yeah, let me play. Yeah, you see that even the video on YouTube are playing without any issue. Yeah, so yeah, we can make the call, simple call. Yes, let me show you. Okay, yes, you see they can show me the balance without any issue. Yeah, okay, let's continue. Let's go on WhatsApp. Yes, here, see that I can open a video on WhatsApp. Yeah, okay, see that it starts to unlock. Yes, this trick is very important. Remember that the airplane mode can help your battery to save power. Yes, if the airplane mode is activated, your power will last longer than usual. Yes, now we finish. This trick is yeah, we have to check on your mobile phone and see if it is possible on your mobile phone. On mine it is working very easy, okay. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and other videos, and share some of the videos you will find at my YouTube channel. Yes, and share them to your friends. Yes, thanks. See you soon in other videos. I promised you to give you some tricks about how to use our mobile phone without any problem. Yes, okay, thanks.